Hello, my name is Bill Andrews from ExaGrid Tiered Backup Storage. Today we're going to talk about how do you do disaster recovery if you have multiple data centers around the world. Let's say you have a site in New York, and that's your primary site with 3 petabyte of data. But in Dallas you have 200 terabyte of data. In Germany you have 300 terabyte of data. In Brazil you have 50 terabyte of data. In Singapore you have 100 terabyte of data. How do you set up disaster recovery? Well, what you need is backup storage that has replication and a spoken hub configuration. So, for example, what you want is the data in Germany to replicate back to New York, so New York becomes the DR site for Germany. You want your Dallas data to replicate back to New York. You want your Brazil data and your Singapore data to replicate back to New York. However, then what you need to do is determine where you want your New York data to replicate to. And maybe you want that New York data, let's say, to replicate back to Germany, because that data has to have a DR site as well. So what you need is a hub and spoke type of environment that allows for cross replication, that allows for you to be able to have any site be the DR site for any other site. ExaGrid, for example, has 16 data centers and a spoken hub configuration so that you can take your data centers around the world and they each can become DR sites for the other, or you could have one core DR site and then take that core DR site's primary data and move that back to another site somewhere else. This allows you to make sure that you're covered on a worldwide basis with a single disaster recovery plan and a single disaster recovery system with multiple locations and cross-replication. Again, my name is Bill Andrews from ExaGrid, Tiered Backup Storage. Thanks for joining.